Hello, happy Saturday, Jose. Thank you very much. I have one subscriber. Thank you so much. I got have one subscriber in my short live now. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for everything. Thank you for more blessings. Sisi, who give this one for you? Jido Muhammad? Jose. Jido Muhammad, you buy this one because last time I'm telling to their parents of Madam Noor that we need white socks. Kasi nga siya socks is small already. And how about this one who give for you? Uy, see. Uy, who give this one?
Doggy.
Wow, si Dalia. Oh, thank you, Dalia. She's the cousins of Madam Noor also. Ayun yung alaga ko. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you for the new subscriber that what I have. Thank you for the blessings that we have every day. To all people living in this earth. To all my relatives, angkan of my parents, and to mga cousins, all of them na in my hometown, really. In my hometown, they're already including of my journey. And to my mga amo, to the family of Madam, their parents, their relatives, cousins, mga nieces, and mga friends ni Madam, and also to Sir, it's same as usual. Family of Sir buong angkan, all family of Sir friends, and to may alaga to Sisi, and she's watching now because it's Saturday. Yesterday she finished his homework or assignment. So, coming soon na yung new baby for the sister of Sisi. Oh, so this one we arranged the changes of the room of Sisi now. It's look like this one, so no more space for playing, no more for what's that, not like same as usual. Okay, so that's all. So I always am telling to you, to some blogger that you are still helping to me, from the one subscriber that what I have until what I have now, the one viewers and until viewers that what I have in every videos, every regular videos of mine, short videos and my live stream. Thank you very much talaga. And some of them that they support also to make comments, likes, and even they are not making like and comments, just to say thank you very much to all of them that you are part of my journey, that what I have. Thank you so much talaga. And some blogger that you are already in the higher standard in your individual channel, that you have good luck and wish everything will be okay. Keep safe talaga, because all your effort, all your not all time and effort, because some of them that they have works and some of them also is full time na talaga sa individual channel that they have already. So keep safe lagi, that one, and good luck na lang to all of us. And some of them that they are starting, beginning like me, to goal, to reach the what's that standard, how to keep and how to maintain the channel that what I have already. So thank you very much talaga. And everything will be okay. And to the different countries, to the different people that you are belong in this earth, keep safe lagi and more blessings. And they can survive everything. That is part of our life. Trials, challenges, that while we are still living in this earth, that we are still continue of our journey, that what we are still living and we are still alive here in our different countries, that what we have. Kaya thank you so much, and be strong, be patient, everything, whatever we have, and continue lang, because God always with us. Mga pains, mga pagsubok sa buhay, yun na talaga, that is already plan of our Almighty Father in heaven. Weather changes, mga pagsubok sa kalikasan, kumbaga pa. Sleeper, use your sleeper good. Okay, so thank you again, and bye. More blessings, and God bless us all. Thank you for all of us, sa lahat-lahat na nagiging party sa journey na meron ako. That continue only. Okay, so thank you, and bye-bye. Hindi ko na kayo, I can't mention one by one and because more, more and more already. So, if I can have time, if I cannot visit in your, all of you, in your channel, I'm just always wishing good, everything will be okay. Everything will be okay, and everything will be continue only that what we have, wherever we are and whatever you do. Okay, Hila. Bye-bye. Thank you for everything. Bye-bye.